Hello, everyone. My name is Vaibhavi, and today we are going to talk about thoughts on education. And we have Dr. Shrikant with us, principal of AKRG College. Uh, Heartily welcome you, sir, in our platform.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, the first question which we want to know from you is what is the vision and mission of AKRG College of Pharmacy?
Definitely, vision and mission of any college, not only AKRJ College of Pharmacy, it is to create knowledgeable and quality students. Yes, so that they will be absorbed by because it is a pharmaceutical college. We try to develop our good quality students from our college who can be absorbed into any sector of pharmaceutical sciences, whether it is an industry or community pharmacy, anywhere. Okay, different pharmacy sectors.
That's true, sir. I totally agree. So, the second question is what are the main roles and responsibilities of an educational leader, according to you?
As a person leading the institution, my role is to update myself. First of all, update myself, go attend so many seminars, okay, regarding the education, okay, and acquire knowledge. And my role is to update the institution to the next level, to take the institution to the next level.
So, as we talk about taking the institution to the next level, so being the principal of AKRJ College of Pharmacy, what are the checkpoints you maintain every day as well as in long run?
Yeah, definitely. I should check each and every aspect like academics, and there are so many organizations who affiliate, or I have to check the affiliations. Means we are affiliated to some university, or so I have to keep a check on every activity that is academic as well as affiliations needed to the college, like students' attendance, class works going on, and the faculty performance, the timetables, everything has to be checked regularly.
Keeping that in mind, sir, so how does the curriculum of AKRG College of Pharmacy ensure the best practices in the industry?
So as I told you, we'll be keeping update regarding any aspect, okay, which is needed to improve our institution. Okay, all the aspects we keep in touch with other institutions. We go on attending so many seminars by some academic experts, okay, to make ourselves update and to maintain in this educational institution. Okay, as an institution, we always keep updating ourselves.
Wonderful, sir. So, looking at the current scenario, due to pandemic, what according to you is the upcoming educational trends?
There should be a lot of technology to be used, okay, to reach the student, okay, whether it is an online class. So, a lot of webinars have been conducted, and we are encouraging the students to attend the webinars. And a lot of technology should come. Like apps like Zoom and everything, the online classrooms should be developed in this pandemic to reach the students and to keep them updated and to continue the academic activities among the students. It is becoming difficult. Okay, we are just giving the online classes only, but we are not able to conduct the practicals. Okay, so so much of technology has to be put on to give them the complete knowledge.
That's true, sir. So, how do you ensure that the new updates on education are reached out to your students?
So the main the person, or it is the faculty. Okay, it is a faculty who has the complete responsibility. Okay, to inculcate or to provide the updates to the students, and we regularly do that. We send our faculty to different seminars. They attend the seminars. Uh, we provide internet facility to the staff so that they get knowledge, and they try to educate the students. Okay, and so we also encourage the students to attend a lot of seminars, and we personally conduct some guest lectures from other colleges also, from some experts also.
I'm sure, sir, the knowledge is imparted perfectly in your organization. So, what, according to you, should be AKRG College of Pharmacy's top priority over 10 years?
It is nothing but we are looking into overall development of the student. Okay, not only academics, everything, his discipline, everything. We are looking into development of overall development of the student. Okay, to give as much knowledge to him, and we keep on giving them training by providing all the requirements needed.
That's nice, sir. So, what do you see as your institution's greatest strength?
So definitely for educational institutions, the success of the student, the success rate of the student means the alumni of of the college will definitely it is an add-on to the. I think it is a strength of the institution. So if the student is settling well, the credit goes to the institution because of they have trained him like that.
That's true, sir. I totally agree. So, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for your institution specifically?
Most important thing is our institution is in a rural area, and most of them speak the mother tongue. Okay, so our greatest challenge is to improve their language. Is the language of communication is English basically right now, and we have to improve their communication skills also. So I think this is the greatest challenge right now we are facing.
Sir, I wish you will be able to overcome this challenge. The last question, which I would like to ask you is there any suggestions you would like to give to our upcoming aspiring students?
Regarding pharmaceutical sciences, it is a research-oriented course generally. And I request all the students, and there is a lot more to explore, like R&D, okay, which will be useful for the society as well as the country. And I request to concentrate on research and development, okay, because this particular course, it is a research-oriented course.
I have one more question, sir, for you. So, what is the role of online and digital medium in promotion of your colleges?
Yeah, definitely. We are. Everybody is carrying a smartphone. Definitely, it will play a major role in future, and now also regarding publicity or everything. It is the main role played by the digital world. Definitely, it is a major role now. Okay, we to promote ourselves or anything. So this is the digital era, I say. Everything is possible.
That's true, sir. So we find every information today through digital platform only. So I hope, sir, that College Dunya will also help you in your goal and promoting the college online. So I would thank you for being the part of Thoughts on Education. Thank you so much for giving time.